Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to your channel. So can I install 15mm wheel spacers on this Honda Accord? Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories installed between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material. Modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment.